So we got it taken care of. Doesn't look too bad. Hi, welcome back. I think today, you can't really see it, but you see part of it, the fender. We're probably gonna take it outside, drill the fender flares off, remove the badges, start sanding it down. I like to get some of the self-etching primer on it, but it's actually sunny today for a little bit. It's gonna start raining here before too long, so kind of want to get that started, get it somewhat done. Hopefully we can do all the outside today. After that, my next plan is to come back and look at this again, and I'll show you my problems that I'm having in this area. I may come in here too and start sanding that top of that pan down and getting that ready for the self-etching primer. I need to bring the whole Bronco outside and resand this whole area back down and put some of that self-etching primer on it too as well. But anyways, that's my main goal today is the fender, and I'm gonna kind of give you a go around to the garage. We had the garage sale yesterday, and did pretty good. So, and also didn't sell. We're donating to Goodwill, so it's not coming back in here. And I'm getting rid of my big table. Just going to the back barn for now, because I'm gonna try to clear the spot out. So when we do get the body straight and welded together, we can put it here and work on it as well. But let me turn you around and give you a look around of what we've done so far. Well, it doesn't look like very much, but this area has changed quite a bit. Like I said, this is gonna be out of here, so I'll have this whole area open, and I'm gonna go through all this stuff, take this table out, and I'll have a good workspace to hopefully put the body of the Bronco on. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I was talking about. To get this level, it has to be on the bend of where this is bumped up against the indention, and a lot of metal showing through here. But that's my big issue, and it's about 39 and 1/8, I believe, between doorpost and doorpost. That's the big issue, and I'm not sure these tabs, do they go on this side or this side? I have them on the top side. I don't know if they're supposed to wrap around to the bottom here or not. If y'all know, please let me know, and I can bend them back out and put them back over it. But yeah, my main focus is gonna be this today. Drilling that out, taking the trim off, badges, and sanding it, and hopefully priming it. But we do have a ding we need to get out, and I think this needs a little work down here, kind of straighten, and this right here. But we'll work on that and see how far we get. Well, it's unfortunate, but you see we have a hole right there, one right there. Looks like a rivet hole, but it's not. We'll go ahead and try to take care of these. I'll get my little Dremel, just come and cut a little square, and then we'll make some patch pieces and maybe tack them in and grind them down a little bit. I'm wanting to get this area painted today. Maybe some weld through, or not weld through primer, but rust fix on this and up here, and then self-etching primer on the actual fender. But then we'll get my little Dremel cutoff wheel. We'll cut these spots out and try to put some weld in there today. Well, that took entirely way too long. We got pretty good patches in there. They don't look half bad, and they're pretty contoured to the bend down here. So I think what I'm gonna do now is just, storm is about to come in, so I'm just gonna paint from here down, And hit this through here with some rust converter. And on this side too. I'll probably call it a day. But yeah, pretty happy with how that turned out. All right, we got the primer on. I'm gonna put a coat of the self-etching primer over that and call it good for today. Don't hear in the background, but the storm is right there, and it's coming. So, all right, so we got it taken care of. Doesn't look too bad. Like I said, I gotta take all this stuff in, and then I'll see you in there in the garage. Hopefully before this rain gets here. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Because storms blowing in, and don't want to have my stuff out there in the rain. I wasn't expecting to have those pinholes, but I should have known. I think we got those taken care of. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it took longer than I thought. Next time, we may work on the fender a little bit more in the garage because it's supposed to be raining all week. We're going to jump back to the pillar, like I said, mess with it some, try to get it. I may flip the Bronco around. We may just start grinding welds over there and checking all of them, make sure they're still attached. Bring the hood in. I forgot to get it before it rains. I may go around and get it right quick. Bring it in so we can test fit the hood with the fender and the door pillar and the door. Try to get all that squared away. Kind of a necessary video. I had gonna use this fender, and I need to make sure there's not an inch thick bondo, which there is quite a bit of bondo on that spot that we sanded today. So there's going to be some hammer and dolly work trying to smooth those dents out. And of course the pinholes, I think we got those taken care of. But anyways, thanks again for watching if you made it this far. It does really help the channel out. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's going to be something up with Bronco. And just keep chipping away at it. Like I said, I'm going to take y'all on everything I do to it, including sanding and fixing pinholes to sanding the frame and painting the frame. Might be kind of boring stuff, but stuff that has to get done in order to get the Bronco together the way I want it. Anyways, yeah, next time we'll come back on this side and look at this again, and I should have my hood, and we'll start trying to fit everything. But anyways, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.